What do we say? I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of crazy. Dude, she's 62. You're gonna be a dad. What are you doing? Okay, so if y'all don't remember last time, I forgot who. Somebody told me to ask her how many times has she been called mommy. She says, LOL, I hear that often. I said, may I be one of those people? May I be one of those people? She said, you can call me anything you like. Me, LOL. She might have 4 kids and 5 grandchildren. Her kids are grown. Her kids are probably older than me. Actually, her kids probably have kids. Oh, she's hunting. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Bro, Cornelius is 21, bro. Cornelius is 21. She's hunting. Nah. I want it to be known, if a grown man was doing this, it would be looked at as weird. I'm just saying. If a grown man was doing this too, it would be looked at as weird. This is crazy. 62. Also, I sent you a DM quickly back. Where's my other phone? You have something in common. You're both born in 2000 BC. Ramen, I need your help. You're the expert, buddy. What do I say here? How do we secure the sugar baby role? If a grown man doing this, it better... If a grown man doing this, it better be towards me. You're too old, bro. You don't fit the criteria. Nobody wants your old ass. You're too old. You're too old, bro. You're too old. You're too old. You're too old. You don't fit the criteria. Ramen knows what he wants. Ramen for sure knows what he wants. I need help, bro. What do we say here? Dino v Dino. He's not Unc, he's Gramps. Nah, Ramen is like Ramen is great grandpa status. I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. Ramen kids have kids. And they have kids. Like, Ramen, have you ever thought about retiring? You guys want some? I kind of sucked out the straw, but I can flip it to the other side. I can flip it to the other side here. Hold on. It's a good flavor too. It's fruit punch. Ew. Hold on. You can have it. I flipped it to the other side. Yeah, I'm retiring from life. See, Ramen, don't take it to that extreme, buddy. We ain't say all that. We ain't tell you to do all that now. You can call me anything you like. Do we just say mommy? I feel like that's crazy. I'm trying to actually secure the sugar baby role. She matched for a reason. And bro, what's the odds she might be a swinger. Tell her, can I call you mine then? Cause you're a beautiful, mature lady. Let him cook. I'm not gonna lie, somebody called me pretty. Somebody called me pretty on here. Is that like a compliment? They was like, pretty boy. Can I call you mine then? Cause you're a beautiful, mature lady. Why didn't autocorrect do it? Normally it does it. Okay. Drop the mature. Hold on. You said drop the mature, so can I call you mine because you're a beautiful lady? I'm not gonna lie. Dropping the mature might honestly shoot. That might be a shot right there. That might be Swiss cheese. That might be Swiss cheese. Hold on. Whoa. What time is she be responding? Her ass probably sleep though. I'm not gonna lie. She's probably like cooked. She's like old as shit. Well, there was more which I added the mature. Oh. Why didn't you say anything? Why did you not say anything? Say something else. Okay. Honestly, I think that's a good shot. I think that's a good shot. Bro. She freaked out. Somebody grandma is freaked out, bro. What are the odds bro? Hell, I give you 100 for tapping this. You want me to fuck a cougar? Why do you want me to fuck a yo? Great grandma flirting, no balls. You just can't say no balls to that, bro. What? Bro, what if she like kidnaps me? She's younger than you. It's gonna be a long night, ain't it? What do you mean she's younger than me? Work as a pastry chef? Whoa. What does she do? Ooh. No, bro. This might be the craziest thing I've ever seen. She's gonna get out you. That's what I'm scared of, Ramen. And freaking Belin's talk about honestly would. Nah, she's not ugly looking at all. They gotta be swingers, bro. They're swingers. Bro, what if they're looking for black BBC? I'm gonna get out, bro. They're gonna treat me like I'm get out, bro. They're gonna treat me, aren't we all? Me too, girl. Don't go. Get in that man. Dude. I'm gonna tell y'all the options right now. 1, her husband's either a cuck. 2, they're swingers. 3, she's just a cheater. She's just gonna use you, then dips. No, duh, she's a 62-year-old woman. You think she's not just gonna use and abuse me, bro? That's literally the only reason she's probably on this app. Tell her she's gonna need a new hip. You're gonna need a new hip. Messing around with me. This is good. Is this good? Is this good? Is this good? Nah, that's crazy. Yes. Yo, you think she said that? Be honest. You think she said the N-word before? Probably, right? Most likely. Most likely. Most likely. Most likely. Of course, yeah. Bro, if she's 62, of course she is. She said you can for an hour or 2. Bro. Hold on. I doubt it. I weight train. Hold on. What? What? Oh, she's fat. She's not fat. I need to reply stat. We gotta go. Come on. I need to reply. Tell her at least I'm not dried out. Like, what are you on about, bro? I was coughing my other lung. What I miss? Techno, you might have picked a bad time to come back. You might have picked a bad time to come back. Oh, I'm not saying that. Europe is young, bro. Like, you gotta sometimes like just, you gotta sometimes just hear Europe and just let him talk. You know what I'm saying? Like, he's like the little kid in the function. Like, Europe is cool, but sometimes he be yapping. So you're just gonna let him talk. Just like acknowledge that you hear what he's saying and just go on about your day. Like, hey, I hear you, buddy. Yeah. I'm not saying that shit though. Like, you know what I'm saying? Bro, I have a girlfriend. Do you talk to your girlfriend like this? Do you talk to your girlfriend like this? What do we say to this? More like, I'm gonna wear your ass out. We have twisted humor. That's honestly a vibe though too, Europe. I'm gonna be real with you. That's honestly a vibe though too. She said more like I wear your ass out. I would like to see you try. I low-key want to race bait. I low-key want to race bait. I low-key want to race bait. Should I say, you know I'm melanated or something like that? Come on, we gotta race bait, bro. She's def gonna break it off. Do I race bait, bro? I low-key want to try to race bait. I'm finna try that. I'm finna try it. Oh God, I'm finna try it. Hold on. I'm finna try to raise bait. Do it, bet. I would like to see you try. I would like to see you try. You know, I'm What about this? How we feel about this? Oh, never mind. I see now. Send it. Say that. Send it like that on God. Bet. Oh my God. Bro, she's talking like this to somebody who's probably younger than her kids. She knows she scrolled through her profile. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Show her profile picture real quick. Bet. This is Miss Denise. She knows what she wants. I respect it. Weak rage bait. Race bait. Oh, she does lift weights. Bro, she kinked out of her mind then, bro. She kinked out of her mind. I thought it replied. Oh my gosh, she's kinked out of her mind then, bro. I'm not gonna lie. That's so crazy. Wrinkly ass senile woman. Bro, God forbid a woman just want to live her life until she, like, you know what I'm saying? She's getting up there in age, bro. Like, these are the years she's supposed to have fun. Mommy likes her some chocolate. Nah, bro. I liked her picture. She immediately matched back. That means she had to sit there, go through the profile, and click yes. Come on now. Hey, come on now. That's too easy. I feel like we should say something else, bro. I want to try to bait a funny reply, bro. Nay, nigga. This nigga said, nay, nigga. Ask if she's into race play. Hold on. Dude, if she says yes to this, she probably is knowing her freak. Yo. She probably is. Bro, ew, she probably is. Corey, what do you want me to do to them? I have the band hammer ready. You can time. I don't know what race he is, so just time him out. 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 Just time him out for like 2 minutes. Time him out for 2 minutes, cause that's a crazy first message. Nigga ain't say hi. Nigga ain't say nothing. This nigga first message was nay, nigga, nay, nigga, nay, nay. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. All right. All right. I think that's it. We're gonna play more until we see Granny's response, bro. I have not done, but maybe hot. I like you to be in charge. So whatever you like. Granny she gets down. She gets down. She thinks you're into it. She down for whatever. Brother. She knows she has. Ramen, you're right. I think she for sure has. Bro, how she's moving, she for sure has. She for sure has. Okay. So I need to rebuttal somebody. She reminds me of the porn bots from Tumblr. Bro, it's crazy. She's not a bot. Bro, that's what makes it even crazier. She's literally, look, a verified account, bro. She's literally a verified account. She's probably on the hub. I wouldn't be, bro, I'm telling you, she's either a swinger, her husband's a cuck, or they do porn. It's no in between, bro. It's only 3 options in this situation. It's quite literally only 3 options in this situation. Are you certain she's real? Yeah, for Hinge, you have to like verify your face to have this check mark. So yeah, she's a real person. To get the check mark, you quite literally have to scan your face and it has to match your pictures. She's a real person indeed. She's a real person indeed. All right. She's looking for the 3rd guy for the film they're making. She's real. LOL. Nah, she's 1,000% real. She do type like a bot. No cap. The film is called Get Out. I'm scared. I need to what do I say to this? You can never be too sure. That's 1,000% for real. But I mean, like, it's not like I'm trying to fuck it's not like I'm trying to actually fuck this lady. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm cooling. If it's a bot, I'll troll with the bot. You feel me? There's no thing to it. I would, Ramen, and that's how you end up in like your kidneys stolen or something, bro. Your lungs is being put up on a black market for auction. Like shit like that. Like that's how that happens, bro. You can't. Okay, so what's a freak? Then why are you flirting like that? It's funny. And I'm not, you acted like I chose the response. I'm choosing everything they're telling me to say. What do you mean, Techno? I'm choosing everything they're telling me to say. Imagine she's hacking your information while you talk to us and she finds out your address and knocks on your door. Bro, tell her she can handle youthful vigor. Put a mature word in for the older people. Ooh, okay. This nigga. Hey, Armin, I got you, bro. Senile. That's kind of like the same thing to this, though. Cause I said you're gonna mess around, need a new hip. It's kind of like similar. Ask her if you like to be knocked around a little. Like to be knocked around a little. Like this? Like this? Bro, this is yo, it's cooked. She's for the streets. You know Meemaw never cared about no streets. Come on now. My hand is gonna be your new necklace. Ramen, why you getting freaky? My hand is gonna be your new necklace. Nah. What? What? Yo, what? Brother, what? Bro didn't even let her respond. Holy guacamole. What, bro? Yo, bro. Bro. I'm scared. Who are you telling? Who are you telling, bro? Who are you telling? Who are you telling? Who are you telling? Dude, there's really be old people like this? Abort because it's a lost cause. We might as well troll all the way out. We might as well troll all the way out. Bro, you saying abort? This mission was never a real mission, bro. Bro, you talking about abort like this was a real mission. This was never a real mission, bro. Someone come pick me up. I'm scared. Oh, you ain't the only one scared. And daddy doesn't tell her this. It was real to me. You're okay. Got grannies down at 25. What does the world have come to, bro? What has the world come to? What has the world come to? Okay, we need a LOL ramen and Europe. I think you were trying to get laid. Nah, Italian brain rot. Europe, I think you were trying. This is pretty bad, bro. She's experienced. You're missing out. Like, I bet she is, bro. I bet she is 1,000%. I'm just not folding in this situation. You feel me? I'm just not folding in this situation, man. I'm not gonna lie. Bro, 62 is great. Yo, 62 is crazy. Call 911 on this woman. Ask her if she got money. That's crazy, dude. That's gonna bro, that's gonna flip the whole conversation from what it's about. Let's go flip the whole current conversation. She's kink though, bro. I'm gonna keep that a buck with you. She is for sure kink. She is for sure kink. What do we say? He said, ask her if she got money. You got money, $100 a whole week. Ask her other kinks. Ooh, that's not a bad one. Yo, I'm gonna like this message. I'm gonna like this message. Oh! Did I cook or what? Did I cook? Pegging. Rye, what are you talking about? What are you talking about, bro? Yo, what? That's freaky. Ask her if she's down. Emoji. What emoji? What emoji? What emoji? What emoji? What emoji? What do you hurry up? Hurry up! Hot emoji? Lip bite emoji? Whoa! Ah. Damn, we scared her away, bro. Stop typing, Cord. I did. I'm not typing. could. All right, bro. Hey. Yo. Grandmother Denise, you got it, bro. You win. Grandmother Denise, you got it, bro. You win. Shut it down, Cord. Be like, yours or mine? She's for sure talking about hers, right? She's for sure talking about hers, right? I think, right? I would've, right? Ask. She said any. What is this? Oh, okay. Why am I promoting this? Strap on isn't up. You know you want it. There's not a planet on this earth where I would want that, bro. There's not a planet on this earth where I would want that. I put that on my soul. I put that on my soul. To throat you while riding your face is, who is she feeling like, bro? Who is she feeling like? What do I say? Okay, I like that. You said yours or mine? And I'm gonna do 3 question marks. Like this? Like this? Like this? Why did you give it a heart? Why not? Don't say that. You have to, the only way you can, that's the only way you know, bro. That's the only way you know, fam. You have to ask the hard question. Because I don't know what the hell she's talking about. She said, she's talking about some any bum play. Please don't, if she says, bro, I pray she says hers, bro. On my soul, please, please. I don't know what you're talking about, bro. You know how to respond. Oh, she's British? I like it in the bum is crazy. Dude. What? Brody, what? Bro, what? What is she talking about? What is she talking about, bro? All right, okay. We need a response. She's not probably didn't want to get flagged. What does that mean? Run chasing music. Nah, I need that get out shit, bro. I need that get out shit. This is crazy situations we in right now. This is not how I saw my afternoon going. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't think this was even gonna work. She's crazy. She's crazy. Yo, she's insane. All right. I'm gonna like. You gotta like, you know what I'm saying? What do we say to this? I don't even know. Like, what is the response to this? Say mommy knows what she likes. No, I'm. I'm just not saying I am to that, right? I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I'm gonna say this. Mommy say you like it. It's the only way. I'm not, dude. That clip is gonna be no, hell no, nope. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I mean, you're not really going for it anyways. But I know you, Rye. I know what type. I know you. And it's gonna be out of context. And I know you. I know what you do and what type of person you are. That's why I'm not. Sorry, I'm back. Cougar, you came at the wrong time. Cougar, you came at the wrong time. Cougar, you came at the wrong time, bro. You came at the wrong time. Cougar, whatever you do, do not read the messages on screen. Matter of fact, let's go all the way up deep so you can understand it. Let's explain the lore to you. Cougar, avert your eyes. Quite literally, please avert your eyes. This is some crazy stuff. This is some crazy stuff, bro. This stream is NC-17. Actually, quite literally. I'm not saying I am. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. I'm not just taking notes. I need another reply. Oh my. I said avert your eyes. No, cover your eyes. Cover your eyes, cool gal. Cover your eyes. Cover your eyes. Cover your eyes. No. No, cover your eyes. Cover your eyes. No, I needed to see this. Run, Kordel. Bro, she's responding. Kordel, remind you, she's like 62. No comma. Cord, you definitely need to change the age rating for this stream. Like, goddamn, trust me. Nah, for sure. Hold on. It should be for mature audiences already, though. I'm not gonna lie. It should be for mature audiences already. I'm not gonna lie to you. Cause she's indeed going crazy. We're all gonna be 62 one day. That's actually impressive. Wait, what's impressive? Wait, what's impressive? She's crazy for that. I don't know if it is. Let me double check. I can double check real quick. Tell her let's meet up and give a random location. Like, that's just, bro. You're shooting half court shots, and we're already shooting half court shots. How are you shooting worse shots than the shots we're taking right now, bro? How are you shooting worse shots than the shots we're taking right now? Actually, let me go to stream manager. Boom, 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 boom. Come here, mute that. That's too mean. Bro, you're shooting in my way. That's just fucked up. Like, you feel me, bro? Knowing her, she's gonna go to that location actually. Then it's gonna be cooked from there. It's gonna be cooked from there, bro. Let me see. Reruns, significant, class labels. All right, I changed it. So yeah, it is that to mature now. I changed it, Techno. Thank you for that. That's fucked up. Send her a location, and the location is a mental hospital. What if the location is a retirement home? Is that cooked? What if the location is a retirement home? Ramen, you need me to send you that location too? Cause I mean, if you need it there, I can too. Damn it, almost kicked me out. Pro, fight me. That would be awful, bro. We're all who is we all? Yo, who is we all, buddy? No, you are, nigga. You are. Don't include me with you. I'm not. We're not in the same boat. We're not in the same boat. I'm already. Oh. She's typing. Huh? Huh? Bro, what does this even mean? Think she means you're hot. How do I find myself in these predicaments, bro? I think I get it. I don't get it. I don't get it at all. Is that like an old people saying, bro? Ramen, you have to understand this. What's she trying to say? She wants to be exhausted. You are going to pull all my boundaries. You are not. What is she saying you are not to? She's gonna pass her boundaries for you. What? Do y'all want to see the profile, bro? Let me show y'all. I think we should abandon ship, abandon all hope, abandon it, leave it to die, just literally burn it, just jump in the water. She means you are hot. Okay. This is 62 versus, what is that age difference? 62 versus 21. Can somebody do that math? What is that age gap? What is that age gap? 21 and 62. 41 years. I beg your pardon? Ooh, nigga, what number even is that? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 200 million versus 62, you mean? Oh my God. I don't know. Okay, I need a response to this though, Ramen. What do we say to this, bro? She said I'm hot. Maybe it's saying you are not taking notes. Maybe it's not, you are not taking notes. You are going to push me to all my limits. Oh, that's some like kinky shit. Yo, I'm actually like appalled. Bro, I'm actually like appalled, bro. That's crazy. Wait, Zach, you said say something. Zach, what did you tell me to say? Zach, what did you tell me to say? Say, I'm gonna pull more than that. As in testing her patience. Hold on now. Oh my God. I actually almost just leaked my messages. She's upset you're not taking notes. Wrong, Techno. I don't even know anymore. Yeah, it's been a pretty crazy one. If I do say so. It's been a pretty crazy one if I do say so myself. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know either. She's saying you're hot and you're gonna make her do things she's never done before. I'm liking every message on God. On God. I'm liking every message. Say good. Oh, good. I like going past my past limits and beyond. Do we add an emoji? She's done it before a lot of times. She definitely has. She definitely has. If she's this casual about bro, she said to throw you right in your face. Like, she's that casual saying that. Come on. Come on. Come on now. Come on now. Meemaw gets down, bro. How do we tell you, bro? How do we tell you? All right. She wants that cucumber. It's time. It's time for what? It's time for what? It's time for what? Dude, I had to pause the music because it was that crazy, bro. Oh my God, this is priceless. Why was the eggplant in your recents? I searched it. What do you mean? It's not in my, I literally had to search it. What are you talking about? W stream. I'm not gonna lie. Bro, I did not expect this. Bro, I did not expect her to be like this. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. But we should have known from the very beginning, bro. We should have known from the very beginning. Cause look at this. Bro. LOL. ... I hear that often. Like, come on now. I like you to use me. Grandma, Grandma, no. Wait, how old is she? She's 62. She's saying this at 1 a.m. This is somebody's grandma. This is somebody's mom, bro. This is somebody's mom. This is somebody's grandmother. I'm 20. I'm somebody, bro. I'm younger than her kids. I could be her grandkids. Oh my God, she's 6 years younger than my grandma. Like, that's crazy, bro. Bro, she's a whole decade older than my mom. Say I was already planning on it. SJ, why you trying to get kinked out with her, bro? Why are you trying to get kinked out like that? Why are you trying to get kinked out with her, bro? I was already planning on it. Do I say something else? SJ knows. SJ, she wants it. I was already planning on it. Do I send this? Do I just send? Do I just send?
Think about it right now. Everything's okay. No matter
Gonna put you through the head. Oh, say that? Send the cat emoji? Which one is that? Let me look. I don't have my glasses. The cat smiling. This one? It then said, gonna put you through the head. You know she's touching it right now. Bro, what are the odds? No way, right? Bro, what are the odds, Ramen? Yo, Ramen, what are the odds? No way. There's no way. There's no way. What if she sends you an address to meet? Then she's cooked. She's cooked, bro. I don't know what to tell you. You already know. Yeah, bro. She's crazy. It's 1 a.m. It's past her bedtime. She deaf is. Bro, it's 1:25. She's probably butt naked. Ew. Ew. Ew, bro. Ew. It sounded like mac and cheese in there. Bro, you don't think she has a husband? I'm telling you, there's only three options. They either do porn, her husband's a cuck, or they're swingers. I'm telling you. I'm literally telling you. There's no other way. There's no other way. There's no other way. Nah, she's single, I think. You think she's single? I'm not lying. 62 and single. She might as well have fun. I can't even knock her for it. How can you check? How can you? I can check. How? On God, she's single. I have my ways. Oh, you're devious. Bro, her husband probably died decades ago. Ask her a bad mama like has gotten to have a man. You also got to think what she said earlier though. That's what I'm saying. Like, look what she said earlier. I said, can I call you mine then? Because you're a beautiful lady. You can for an hour or two. That's what's throwing me off. That's what's throwing me off. You can for an hour or two. Like that's not like somebody who does porn, a swinger, or literally a cuck, bro. Like, what do you mean? What do you mean? Yerb says, ask her if she's naked.
Skinny fuck, mixing up the terpenes got me lifted up. Quick and bust, you better pack your bags before you sit with us.